tilde 30 Tarun Saram Maltero Tuachachanun Namuchal Punukim Silmung Etrasinun Hongkukim Punto Chalalko Isada Urika Kasulte Chweko Romanun Suyasada Kureta Kurimeto Pool Kuako Tuanunal Chata Siksa Opsian Chukahan Nun Tean Ne Ain Nun Hochuin Mala Nun Tuakun Nako Siksa Al Sui Takoeta Setchung Yui Ron Rasuto Rong O Tildo Yasasiakan Nun Tachung Malchoata Opera House Suil Chu Ai Sakotiket Poyachamin Mei Manuel Nyo Manuelira Kachunta Mekchuto Konu Chakuk Chuchen. Like others said, the tour itself feels a bit short. The Korean guide really knew his stuff, too. When we went, it was the biggest group they'd had, so that probably added to the feeling. Even so, the tour was still pretty solid. We added the meal option, and the Aussie staff member told us we could eat after the tour. There were only 3 restaurant options, and we went to the only one open from around 5 to 6 p.m. It was actually really good. It's on the first floor of the Opera House, and if you show your ticket you get 1 main and 1 drink included. Beer's an option too. Highly recommend. Celine. "30 minutes guide tour is too short. But inside Opera House is so beautiful." "510 XT. The tour guide was friendly and helpful, explained things clearly, and knew the meeting point well. Before we knew it, an hour had passed. One. One. 2. 3. 4.